The numbers of hybrids out there, of that 3.5 million bulk out there on the road, over half of them in blue, as you see, are Toyota and Lexus. So the family of Priuses and Camrys and different Lexuses out there, with Prius being the huge bulk of the hybrids, is well over half the hybrid population. With about a quarter we see with the Hondas, the Civics, the Insights, the Accords and so forth. Another quarter, almost a quarter, would be the Fords, the Ford Escapes and the Ford Fusion and cars like that. So they're out there, and if you do just training on Toyota and Lexus, you will also be very well equipped to know Fords and Nissan, because they're very close cousins technology-wise, as we'll find out here in the next minute, to the other hybrids, or to each other. Whereas Hondas and General Motors and some of the other manufacturers are enough different to where you might want to do extra training on those vehicles as well. Now, it's just not those gas-sipping small compact cars that are hybrids. It's also full-size GM pickup trucks and SUVs during the mid to late 2000s. And as we see going forward, medium-duty trucks, Allison transmission, producing a driveline with a transmission and a Delphi battery pack and power electronics. That's the inverter and converter. Those are in medium-duty trucks, as well as in the heavy-duty stuff, such as transit buses that you'll see with the big pod on the roof. Those are hybrid vehicles as well. J.D. Power's 2012 survey said that 71% of the future vehicle purchasers are looking for just a conventional old-fashioned car, not a hybrid electric vehicle. However, that does leave almost a quarter of your customers that are considering their next car to be a Toyota Prius or Ford Fusion or Ford C-Max, something like that. So why not embrace it and increase your car count in your shop? Be the only independent repair shop maybe in your area of town or even in your city that does hybrids, and watch the vehicles come.